After 60, what you eat in the morning matters more than you think. Your breakfast could be quietly affecting your kidney health. For anyone over 60, protecting your kidney function is not just a health goal, it's a critical pillar of longevity. Stay with us because today we're revealing the 7 breakfast items you might want to rethink to safeguard your health. Before we dive in, if you're committed to taking control of your health after 60, please show this video some support by liking it, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss our science-backed guides. The connection between our diet and kidney health is undeniable, and this becomes even more pronounced after the age of 60. Our kidneys, those hardworking organs that filter our blood and remove waste, naturally undergo changes as we age. They become more susceptible to stress from certain dietary habits. That's why being mindful of your breakfast foods is a powerful first line of defense for preserving kidney health after 60. In this video, we will delve into the scientific research to identify the specific breakfast items that may pose a risk, so you can make informed decisions for your well-being. The core of the issue often boils down to 2 main dietary components: excessive sodium and high amounts of phosphorus. As we age, our kidneys' ability to efficiently excrete sodium can diminish, leading to fluid retention and elevated blood pressure, a primary driver of kidney damage. Furthermore, research, including a study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition, highlights the dangers of high phosphorus intake, particularly from inorganic phosphates used as additives in processed foods. Healthy kidneys are adept at removing excess phosphorus from the blood, but when kidney function is even slightly compromised, phosphorus levels can rise. This can lead to a serious condition known as hyperphosphatemia, which is linked to cardiovascular disease and weakened bones. The problem is that many common breakfast foods are loaded with hidden sodium and these inorganic phosphates, creating a daily assault on organs that are already facing the natural challenges of aging. First on our list is processed meats like bacon and sausage. These are a classic breakfast staple, but they are a double threat to your kidneys. They are notoriously high in sodium, used for both flavor and preservation. Just a few slices can contain a significant portion of your daily recommended sodium intake. Additionally, they often contain phosphate additives, which we just discussed. This combination of high sodium and highly absorbable phosphorus places an unnecessary filtering burden on your kidneys. The second food to be cautious of is packaged pancake and waffle mixes. The convenience is tempting, but these mixes are frequently high in sodium and, again, phosphorus-containing additives to improve texture and shelf life. When you top them with sugary syrup, you're adding another layer of stress. A study in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology has explored the link between high sugar diets and the development of kidney disease, making this a combination best enjoyed only very occasionally. Third, we have flavored instant oatmeal packets. Now, plain oatmeal is an excellent high-fiber choice. The problem arises with the flavored instant varieties. These are often packed with added sugars and salt. That seemingly healthy maple brown sugar or apple cinnamon packet can deliver a surprising amount of added sugar and sodium right at the start of your day, contributing to inflammation and blood pressure issues that can compromise kidney function over time. Number 4 is commercial breakfast pastries and muffins. This includes items like danishes, toaster pastries, and many store-bought muffins. Beyond their high refined flour and sugar content, which can contribute to obesity and diabetes, the 2 leading causes of kidney disease, they may contain added phosphorus. Phosphate additives in some baked goods can be absorbed differently than natural phosphorus found in whole foods, which may be a consideration for kidney health. Fifth is pre-made breakfast sandwiches. Whether frozen or from a fast food drive-thru, these sandwiches combine several kidney-stressing elements. You have the processed meat, the refined carbohydrate bun, the cheese, and they are almost universally seasoned with large amounts of sodium. It's a perfect storm of high sodium, phosphate additives, and saturated fat that can contribute to the conditions that harm kidney health. The sixth item is sweetened yogurt with fruit on the bottom. Yogurt itself can be a great source of protein and probiotics. However, the sweetened varieties, especially those with fruit compote at the bottom, are laden with added sugar. As we've established, consistent high sugar intake is a major risk factor for hypertension and diabetes, which are primary enemies of kidney health. Opting for plain yogurt and adding your own fresh fruit is a much safer and equally delicious alternative. And seventh, and this might be the most surprising for some, is canned baked beans on toast. While beans are a healthy plant-based protein, the canned versions in sauce are typically swimming in a brine that is incredibly high in sugar and sodium. Just one small serving may be high in sodium, which could be a concern for individuals monitoring their kidney health. If you enjoy beans, we recommend seeking out low-sodium canned versions and rinsing them thoroughly or cooking them from scratch where you can control the ingredients. Understanding this list is more than just memorizing foods to avoid. It's about recognizing a pattern. The common thread running through almost all of these items is that they are processed. They have been altered from their natural state, and in that process, sodium and phosphorus additives are introduced to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. This is the true takeaway. One effective step to support kidney health after 60 can be to prioritize less processed, whole foods at breakfast and toward whole, single-ingredient foods. Think of an omelet with fresh vegetables, a bowl of plain oatmeal with berries and nuts, or avocado on whole grain toast. This simple shift dramatically reduces your intake of the very elements that silently strain your kidneys. Protecting your kidneys doesn't require a radical overhaul, but rather mindful, consistent choices. After 60, your body relies on you to be its advocate. By being aware of the hidden dangers in processed meats, sugary cereals, flavored oatmeals, and pre-made sandwiches, you empower yourself to make decisions that support your long-term health. Your breakfast should fuel your day, not compromise your future. A diet centered on whole foods with controlled sodium and minimal phosphate additives is one of the most powerful tools you have to preserve your kidney function. Your health journey is unique, and we are here to support it with evidence-based information. If you found this guide helpful, please share your thoughts or your own healthy breakfast tips in the comments below. We love learning from our community. And if you haven't already, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell. Your support helps us continue to create content that empowers you to live a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for watching.